Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues of your JBL Tune 760 noise cancellation headphones. So if you have any problem with your headphones, you just have to perform the hard reset. So you have to just turn on your headphones, like in my case, and then use these two buttons, volume up and the volume down. You have to click and hold these two buttons together, and now take a look for the indicators behavior. They will just turn off and after a few seconds turn on. Now you have to release, and when you open the Bluetooth settings on your device, you will be not able to select your previously connection. You will get the new pairing request, and as you can see, that's how it works. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.